Today I want to share with you something that will completely change your life. Something so extremely simple and yet so powerful that you will not believe how it works. Even after 5 minutes of practice, you will feel considerable change. I want to explain the most simple practice of meditation. When I started to practice meditation, a proper meditation, after experiencing the effect of meditation, I thought, this seems like illegal. In 10 minutes, you get that type of happiness which you're not getting from substances and you're not getting from different achievements and things like that. How is that even possible? Why not everybody in the world is meditating? So let's start. So meditation comes from the root verb meditate, to ponder, to think deeply about something, to try to measure, to try to grasp a certain idea, a certain feeling, a certain flow of consciousness. So how do you meditate? You need to sit with a straight spine. Now I'm sitting cross-legged. This is ideal posture. Sometimes it is difficult for people to sit like that. You can sit like this also. Or, even if that is difficult, you could sit on the chair. But after some time it's good to acquire this kind of posture. So after you are sitting, you need to relax your entire body. Just go with your awareness, with your consciousness, see all the parts of the body, and if there is any tension, remove that tension. Then you need to ventilate your lungs. You breathe in, you start with the diaphragm, continue with the chest, then breathe out. Start with the chest, continue with diaphragm. So make 3 or 4 complete inhalations and exhalations. And then close your eyes and start observing your breathing. Just see how the air comes inside of your nostrils. It goes, fills up the lungs. Try to feel that, how simple and how pleasant it is to breathe. I'm breathing. I'm in the present moment, not in the past, not in the future. All complexities of life, either in the past or in the future. I'm in the present moment, in the moment of ultimate simplicity and ultimate relaxation. And you observe your breath and you tell to yourself, I am breathing in and I am aware that I am breathing in. And try to become totally, completely aware of all the feelings associated with breath. Go like this for some time, 3 minutes, 4 minutes. And now, this is a very special moment, something very, very precious. You're breathing in and you're telling yourself, I am breathing in, I am aware that I am breathing in. And I am feeling happy. I am breathing out, I'm aware that I am breathing out, and I am feeling happy. So simple. This, if to explain a little bit of yogic philosophy, this happiness is the quality of our soul. And by focusing on that happiness, you are finding the subtle portion of your mind, which is eternally happy, irregardless of all the circumstances. And if you are able to just locate that flow of life within you, which is always flowing, you are living, you are alive, it means you are also happy. But you are not aware of that. So locating that flow of life I think for sure you have experienced that before. Somewhere you are in the nature and you are feeling like, yeah, life. I am alive. And nothing else needed. I'm just happy because to be alive. So that type of happiness, that internal happiness, which is life itself. So focus on that internal happiness. Try to locate it. Try to, just like your mind is like a search engine. You input something there. Okay, search for happiness. Look for happiness within yourself. And you will find it. So I'm breathing in. I am aware that I'm breathing in. And I'm feeling happy. I'm breathing out. I'm aware that I'm breathing out. And I'm feeling happy. Do like this for 5 minutes, 10 minutes. And if you practice like this for 2 weeks, 1 month, you will feel considerable change in your personality. Once you are filled with that joy, you will create joy everywhere, all around you. With every person with whom you interact, every person will feel from you a touch of life, a touch of joy. So you will see that you are changing, your environment is changing. And after some time, this is very powerful technique of meditation, yet not complete. There are more interesting steps there. And after some time of practice, come back to this channel and go through the basic course of meditation and learn basic meditation, the complete version of basic meditation. And for now, you can, if you like to keep this channel in your field of view and get more useful advices and more useful illegal techniques, which they're supposed to be illegal because they're so powerful and so effective, but nobody does that. You can subscribe to this channel and we can keep in touch and I can teach you much more. So thank you very much. And now it is very important. The theory is 1% and practice is 99%. And theory is always based on the practice. To understand the theory, master it. Ideal flow of practice is twice a day. Start with the 5 minutes, morning and evening. And do it with full sincerity. And then you can also write. Maybe you write now in your diary that, okay, I'm starting this practice of meditation. I'm feeling like this, like this, like this. And then you write, every week you write one entry that, okay, I've been in the practice of meditation for 1 week. What changes did I experience? What happened to me? What kind of transformation happened to me? Yeah, and then after some time, I hope you share it with me. You can write in the comments what is the result of your journey. So thank you very much for viewing and see you again.